Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is find authors who viewed their own articles. For example, we have a table of views, and each row displays the author ID of the article and the viewer ID of the article. If the author ID and the viewer ID are the same, it means that the author viewed their own article. Like with article 2, its author ID is 7, and this article was viewed by viewer ID 7 as well. Article 3 also has author ID 4 and the viewer ID 4. Therefore, the output is 4 and 7. Let's solve it in SQL. First, we write the keyword select from the table views. Then we filter rows where the author ID is equal to the viewer ID. Since an author might view their own article multiple times, we use distinct to ensure each ID appears only once. And finally, we sort the result by ID. Let's run the query. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we filter the data frame to keep rows where author ID equals viewer ID. We call this dataset self-viewed. And now we get unique author IDs. The function unique returns a NumPy array. So we need to convert a NumPy array back to a data frame. And we call the column ID. The last step, we sort the result by ID in ascending order. And we are ready to return the result. Let's run this code. So we successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? The SQL or the Pandas? Let me know in the comments.